Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca Austin, and on this channel, we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. If this is your first time here, I would like to offer my sincerest welcome. And if you are serious about growing your online business through Kajabi or otherwise, I invite you to subscribe to my channel because we're always putting out new content to be able to help you in your business. Now, today I want to talk about just a little thing called your lead magnet and whether or not what you're doing with your lead magnet is actually helping you. A big mistake that I see with a lot of my coaching clients is that their lead magnet is an afterthought. And the problem is that if you're doing it just as, okay, I have to have something for free to be able to capture leads and get them through my funnel, you're going about it kind of the wrong way. Now, what we want to do is to really build interest and desire for your paid offer. A good lead magnet is not simply something free that you offer that they have to give their email address. Now, yes, that's part of the process. But if we're looking at this from a strategic standpoint and our goal is to drive conversions, because face it, that's what we're really out for, is to be able to bring people in, develop that relationship, and to convert them. It's not about how big your list is. It's not a popularity contest. So what we want to do is to have something that we offer that is a little bit more planned out than just the average, oh, okay, well, what can I give for free? I'll just create a PDF or I'll do a video and I'll do this for free. Now, if that's what you're doing, that's okay. That's better than nothing. You do want to have something on your website that is capturing the email address and giving you an opportunity to build that relationship and to convert them. But I'm going to share with you today a much better strategy that you will find creates a higher conversion and will improve your performance and help you build that relationship even deeper. And what that is to simply have whatever it is that your offer that you're doing for free closely combines and naturally flows into your paid offer. So if you're offering, for example, I have a client who was doing a dance program. And it's a really great program. She teaches Latin dance and she teaches women over 50 how to kind of get their spark back. It's a really neat program. And originally her free offer was a guide on superfoods. Now, originally, when you first think about it, what does superfoods have to do with dance? Now, when you get into the superfoods program, you can actually see that it talks a little bit more about how you have to be healthy in order to be able to dance. But what we want to do is we want to create a program that is deeper than that. We want to go more strategic in what our free offer is, so that when they sign up for that free option, they're getting high value that builds a desire for what the paid version is. So depending on what it is that your paid version, your program, your course, your coaching program, your workshop, your retreat, whatever it is that they're purchasing from you, the free version is high value that builds desire for the paid version. Now, how do we do that? Well, the best way to look at it and one way to approach it is that your free is going to tell them what they need to do to solve their pain or problem. And then we'll sell them on the how to solve their pain or problem. So we want to think about this from, if we're giving them the what, it's going to give them high value. It tells them steps that they need to take. It gives them takeaways that they can immediately put into practice and start seeing results. But it also leaves a lot to be desired, because there's no way that they can fully see that transformation without a little bit more information, without a little more help, without a little more guidance, without knowing how to actually go about doing that. So if you break that down into being more strategic and you think about what can I offer that naturally builds a desire by giving them value on telling them what they need to do, and then naturally taking them into, okay, now that you know the steps, or now that you know the direction you need to go, the next step is to join my program so that we can work together to give you all the details on how you can do it. So hopefully you found this to be extremely helpful. I encourage you to go back to what your current free offers are. Think a little bit about whether or not they're driving a desire, they're building the direction of a conversion. Do you have a good invitation in your lead magnet to the conversion? Have you made it clear what the next step is that they need to take, or does it kind of leave them hanging where it's like, okay, here's a download, or here's a PDF, but there's no invitation after that? Or are you fully taking them through a journey and taking them by the hand? So take a look at those lead magnets, see where you are, and then put it in the comments below on what you find, on whether or not you have that complete journey. Does it build desire and anticipation for the conversion and being a part of your program? And if not, let me know what changes that you're going to make. So thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see in the comments on what changes that you are going to do in your lead magnet programs. And as always, feel free to jump on over to my website at striveforsavvy.com, where we have lots of additional resources and things to help you in growing your business. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next video.